Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video we're going to talk about ladies mantle and how you can use the leaves of the ladies mantle as well as the stems in helping to promote healing. So previously I did talk about ladies mantle and I dedicated a whole video for that. The link will be in the description box below. It's about over 7 minutes or so, but in this video I'd like to keep it short and simple. If you've not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe, support the channel. We'll be doing daily videos talking about health, wellness, tips and tricks. So let's talk about the ladies mantle. How can we use it? Well, ladies mantle is a very estrogenic plant. It's good for anything to do with stomach upsets, digestive issues, gastroenteritis issues, and also diarrhea. It's really also helpful for anything to do with an imbalance in the menstruation, specifically when it comes to heavy periods as well. It can be used for the pain. It can be used as a means to regulate the period. So it's cooling. It's very useful for inflammation, as in like it reduces inflammation as well. And if you're ready to harvest this wonderful plant, then make sure you do so before the flowering stage in the summertime. So one of my favorite ways to use this plant is as a simple infusion, and this is mainly for digestive upsets and diarrhea. You just take the infusion that way. It will really help to ease that stomach. Another thing is tincture. Tincture is more for the menstrual issues because it is very potent, remember, and you can make your own alcohol-free DIY tincture, or you can even purchase yourself some ladies mantle organic tincture. Another great way is to make yourself your own ointment, and this is more for the lady parts in order to relieve any sort of itching, any sort of irritation that way, and I'll include the recipe for that in the description box below. You'll need some simple ingredients such as rose water, such as beeswax, and also you would need either a tincture or an infusion to make this. Another great thing that you could use it for is as a simple wash for your body, an external wash, specifically when it comes to sores, cuts, eczema as well. You could use that. So these were the best ways to use ladies mantle stems and leaves. If you've enjoyed today's video,